to my channel Study with me PCMB. In this part of moving charges and magnetism, we will discuss the special cases of our previous derivation, that was magnetic field at a point on the axis of a current carrying circular loop. So if you have not watched that video, the link is given in the description. You can watch. So let's start. I have just drawn the diagram which we used and also the final equation which we got. So first case. The first case is if P is at the center. If P is at the center. P is at the center means P is here. P is here. What will be happening to this equation? So yeah, now going with that. So P is here, then we don't need X. That means the circular loop is like this, and we consider that this moving in this way. The point of P is in this direction where my finger ends. That was the P. The point, this point. Now if the point is at the center, at the center of the circular loop, there won't be X. The distance will be 0. So we don't need the X. That means B equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I a square divided by a square whole raised to 3 by 2. So here also square, here also denominator is 2. So it will become mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I a square divided by a cube. So we can cancel this a square and this cube. So finally we will get mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I by a. This will be our equation if P is at the center. This is our first case. Then we can move to our second case, that is if X is greater, or is very greater than A. What is X? The distance between the center of the circular loop and the point. And A is the radius. That means if this is the, consider this as a circular loop. And here the radius and the point P is lying here. Just imagine like that. From this center and this distance we have to do. So let's start. First, B equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I a square divided by, as A is very small, we are neglecting it. So it will become X raised to X square raised to 3 by 2. So here also the same way what we did in the first case, like that it will become mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I a square divided by X square. Sorry, X cube. The equation will turn like this. This will be our final equation. One more thing I will tell you. If I a square is coming, pi a square if pi a square is coming, it is magnetic dipole moment. We will discuss about this in the coming parts of this chapter itself. So this is our final equation, second case. And let's move to the third case. case, that is if x equal to a, that means where will be the point? P will be lying here. P will be lying here. So then the equation will become b equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi into I a square divided by a square plus a square all raised to 3 by 2, because x and a is similar. So we are replacing this x by a. It will be equal to mu naught 4 pi into 2 pi into I a square by 2a square all raised to 3 by 2 will come like this. And this will be going like this. That means mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I a square divided by 2 raised to 3 by 2 into a cube. It will change like this. And we can cancel that. That means a square and cube will got cancelled. And the final equation will become mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I divided by 2 raised to 3 by 2 into a. This will be our final equation. This will be our final equation. We are cancelling this a square and a cube. So it will become mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi I by 2 raised to 3 by 2 into a. So we discussed 3 special cases. It is very important. Sometimes the question may come like this. Derive the equation for this magnetic field at a point P on the axis of a current carrying circular loop. And also extend that to the if P is at the center of the circular coil or circular loop, or if x is greater than a or x is equal to a. Like that questions may be coming. So it's very important. So in this part we have discussed 3 special cases. That one is when P is at the center. Second one was x is very greater than a. And finally third one is x is equal to a. So in the next part we will discuss the graph and the direction also. So thank you.